Hello everyone, today we're going to be going over AirDroid. AirDroid is one of my favorite apps. It allows you to connect to your phone and do some pretty cool things from your computer. AirDroid will allow you to interact with your photos, your files, you can even text, and you can capture photos from your camera remotely from your computer. Here are the 4 steps that we're going to take to get your AirDroid up and running so that you can use it from your computer. First, we're going to go ahead and download the app. You need to go into the Google Play Store and download AirDroid. After you download the app, make sure that your phone and your PC are on the same Wi-Fi. Once you have verified that you're on the same Wi-Fi, go ahead and launch AirDroid. To launch AirDroid, all you have to do is click on the app. Once it opens, you'll see a button that says Start. Go ahead and hit Start. That will give you the URL that you need to enter into your Google Chrome browser to connect to AirDroid. Now in the middle of the screen I have underlined where your Wi-Fi name should be at. That's another way to verify that you're connected to your local Wi-Fi. I have also added a box around the URL you're going to want to use in your Google Chrome browser. You should also know that your IP isn't going to be exactly like mine, and my port is actually wrong in this photo. It must have been a bug in the version that I had when I was using. I didn't notice it right away, but that should be 8888 instead of 8890. It doesn't really matter what mine says, just go ahead and use the one that AirDroid has given you. Now that we have launched AirDroid on our phone and we have our URL, let's go ahead and go to Google Chrome and connect. Here we are in Google Chrome. We're going to go ahead and type in that URL that AirDroid gave us. If you're having any problems, just make sure that you're typing it in correctly. If you typed it in correctly, you should see this screen. On your phone, you should see this screen. Go ahead and hit accept. That's going to allow your computer to connect to your phone. And yes, you will have to do that every single time that you want to connect. And that's just their way of securing who can connect to your phone. We have completed all the steps and we should be connected. Let's go ahead and check out some of the features. On the main screen, you should see an icon for messages. Go ahead and click on it. Not only can you see all the text messages that have come through your phone, you can also send them. All you have to do is type in your message and then hit send. You will also see an icon for photos. Go ahead and click on it. This will allow you to interact with the photos that are actually on your phone. In this window, on the left pane, you should see the folders that contain images on your phone, and on the right, the images that are within it. If you double click on one of them, you should be able to open it and view it in full screen. You can also upload and download photos between your computer and your phone. As you can see here, I selected some photos, and now I'm going to go ahead and download them to my computer. The download will start. Google Chrome will give you the status of that. You can also click upload at the top right. Go ahead and go to a photo on your computer, drag it into that screen there, and it will upload to your phone. You can also stream the music that you have on your phone to your computer. To do this, all you have to do is click on the music icon, select a song, and then click play. I actually just learned about this feature today. Up at the top of the screen, you'll see a phone icon. Click on it. Go ahead and make a phone call. Now that I've given you an introduction on AirDroid and taught you how to connect, I'm going to leave the rest of the exploring up to you. There's many more features. I will leave you with a couple tips though. If you add the widget to your home page, it makes it super quick to connect if you use AirDroid a lot. You might also want to change some of the settings in the AirDroid to your liking, like enabling HTTPS or turning off the Start Service on Launch feature. Thanks for watching. This was also my first how-to video. If you liked it and you want to see more, please leave feedback.